Hi everyone, I'm here with my friend Lily the lamb today. Lily, what are we going to do? Oh, a chat word. What are we doing?
Ready.
Are we getting ready? What for? Things, events, a holiday?
Easter. Ready, Easter.
We're getting ready for Easter? That sounds so much fun. What do you want to do first?
Put on. Rabbit.
Put on a rabbit?
Ear. Put on rabbit ear.
Oh, put on your rabbit ears. Good thinking. Okay, let's do that first. All right. What else?
Put on.
Back. Oh, a clothing word maybe? Not there. Let's go to our accessories. Oh, a necklace.
Necklace. Put on necklace.
Okay, put on your necklace. Oh, you're looking great today. You look so good.
Good.
Okay, just put that on there. Put your ears back on. All right, ready. What else can we do for Easter? Let's have a look. I think maybe that, let me clear this, you should look for the Easter basket. Maybe you should look in the Easter basket. Oh, look. What's in the Easter basket? Oh, what could it be? Oh, the Easter basket. Let's look in. Whoa. Boo! Oh, look, it's a
Easter basket.
the rabbit. You found the rabbit.
Rabbit.
Yeah, you found the rabbit. You should say, I got the rabbit. What should we say to everybody? Let's finish. Here, you say it. See if you can find the right words. Okay, I think I've got it.
Happy.
Happy.
Easter. Happy Easter.